In this lecture, we learn about exponential of a matrix. Let A be a given matrix. Then we learn how to find exponential of A. First, let A equals to P D P inverse, where D be the diagonal matrix and P be the matrix consisting with eigenvector. Therefore, exponential A equals to exponential of P D P inverse, that equals to this I plus P D P inverse by 1 factorial plus P D P inverse whole square by 2 factorial plus P D P inverse to the power cube by 3 factorial plus dot 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 dot. Now P D P inverse square, that equals to P D P inverse into P D P inverse, that equals to P D P inverse into P into D P inverse, that equals to P D square P inverse. Therefore, P D P inverse to the power n, that equals to P D to the power n P inverse. Therefore, exponential of A equals to I plus P D P inverse by 1 factorial plus P D square P inverse by 2 factorial plus P D cube P inverse by 3 factorial plus dot dot dot, that equals to P into 1 plus dy 1 factorial plus d square by 2 factorial plus d cube by 3 factorial plus dot 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 into P inverse, that equals to P into exponential of D into P inverse. Therefore, exponential of A, that equals to P matrix into exponential of D matrix into P inverse. Similarly, if A equals to QJ Q inverse, where JB Jordan canonical form, then exponential of A equals to Q exponential of J into Q inverse. We give some example. First, A, that equals to 5 4 1 2, this is the matrix. Then the characteristic polynomial will be f of x, that equals to x minus 1 into x minus 6. Therefore, A is diagonalizable. Therefore, A equals to P D P inverse, that equals to P into 1 0 0 6 into P. Exponential of A equals to P into exponential of D into P inverse, at exponential of D, that equals to I plus D by 1 factorial plus D square by 2 factorial plus D cube by 3 factorial plus dot dot I plus 1 by 1 factorial 1006 plus 1006 square by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial 1006 cube plus dot dot dot, that equals to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus dot dot dot, 0 and 0 1 plus 6 by 1 factorial by 6 square by 2 factorial plus 6 cube by 3 factorial plus dot dot dot, that equals to exponential 0 0 exponential of 6, and p equals to 4 minus 1 1 1, p inverse equals to 1 by 5 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 4 by 5. Therefore exponential of a, that equals to 4 minus 1 1 1 into e 0 0 exponential 6 1 by 5 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 4 by 5. Okay, this is the DGR exponential of a. Now if a equals to a b 0 a, then a into I plus b matrix, where b equals to 0 b 0 0, exponential of a, that equals to exponential of a I plus b, that equals to exponential of ai into exponential of b, as ai into b, that equals to b into ai, that is ai into b bi, that means this matrix are commutative. Exponential of ai, that equals to I plus ai by 1 factorial ai square by 2 factorial ai cube by 3 factorial plus dot dot dot, that equals to I plus ai by 1 factorial a square I by 2 factorial a cube by 3 factorial I plus dot dot dot, that equals to I into 1 plus a by 1 factorial a square by 2 factorial a cube by 3 factorial plus dot dot dot. Therefore ai, that equals to exponential of a into the identity matrix. Now exponential of b, that equals to I plus b by 1 factorial b square by 2 factorial plus b cube by 3 factorial plus dot dot dot. Now b equals to 0 b 0 0, therefore b square equals to b cube equals to b4, that equals to 1 0 matrix. This is the 0 matrix. Therefore exponential of b, that equals to I plus b matrix. Okay, therefore exponential of a matrix, that equals to exponential a into I plus b matrix, that equals to exponential of a into I plus b, that equals to exponential of a into 1 b 0 1, that equals to exponential of a b into exponential of a 0 into exponential of a. This is the desired exponential matrix. A, that equals to 1 0 2 0 1 3 0 0 1. f of lambda with the characteristic equation, this equals to lambda minus 1 the cube. Now rank of a minus I, that equals to 1, therefore dimension of E 1. Achha, therefore eigenspace dimension, that equals to 3 minus 1, that equals to 2. Therefore A is not diagonalizable. We can easily see that A can be written as A equals to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 plus 0 0 2 0 0 3 0 0 0. Therefore A equals to I plus B matrix exponential of A, that equals to exponential of I plus B, that is exponential of I into exponential of B, where I into B, that equals to B equals to I. Now exponential of I, that equals to I plus I by 1 factorial, I square by 2 factorial, I cube by 3 factorial plus dot dot, that equals to I into exponential of 1. Okay, therefore exponential of A, that equals to E into I into exponential of B. This is the matrix and matrix multiplications, so this equals to exponential of B. Now exponential of B equals to I plus B square by 2 factorial plus B cube by 3 factorial plus dot dot dot. Now B square equals to B cube equals to B to the power 4, that equals to 0. Therefore exponential of B, that equals to I plus B, that equals to A. Therefore exponential of A, that equals to E into A, that equals to E 0 2E 0 E 3 0 0 A. This is their exponential matrix. Next, if A be a Jordan canonical form, that is form J equals to this form, then exponential of J equals to what? J equals to lambda into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 plus 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. Therefore exponential of J, that equals to exponential of lambda I into exponential of this matrix B, where B equals to 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, that equals to e to the power lambda into exponential of B. Now B square equals to B cube equals to 0 matrix, that equals to B4, so on. Therefore exponential of B, that equals to I plus B square by 2 factorial plus dot 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 dot, that equals to I plus B plus 1 by 2 factor into B square. Therefore exponential of B equals to, therefore exponential of J, that equals to exponential of lambda into 1 by 2 factorial 0 1 1 0 0 1, that equals to e to the power lambda 1 by 2 factorial e to the power lambda 0 e to the power lambda and e to the power lambda 0 0 e to the power lambda. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.